Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so I have a package here that I want to show you guys, and you guys obviously know what it is because you can read from the title. Alright, so let me just go ahead and open it anyway. Wow, and yes, I'm using one hand, so bear with me here, guys. I gotta put the camera down to get this out, guys. Give me a quick second here. Okay. Got that out the way. So, this should be what I think it is. Then again, I'm pretty sure it is. Sorry with you guys, 1 second here. There she is. Look how pretty she looks. Alright guys, so it is a Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte hard drive. Alright, internal hard drive, by the way, not external. You wonder why I got this? I'll tell you right now. The reason why I got this, guys, is because I decided to not only keep my old computer, the one that was manufactured in 2007, the Dell XPS 420, but also I decided to upgrade it to its maximum capacity of everything. All right, my Dell XPS 420 has two internal hard drive slots, both of which hold a maximum capacity of 2 terabytes. So I decided to go ahead and do that. I'm going to most likely leave the second one empty because I don't have much use for it. But if I do decide to use the second hard drive, second internal hard drive bay, I'm going to go ahead and buy another 2 terabyte. All right. So here it is. I would highly recommend the Barracuda model over the Constellation from Seagate. That's just my personal opinion. Alright, so you can see there 2 TB, which stands for terabytes, and if you guys don't know what a terabyte is, it's 1000 gigabytes. Alright, here's the connectors. Alright, those the mounting parts. Alright, so there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you guys for checking us out. Like I said, nothing too special. Comment, rate, subscribe, share, like, enjoy, all that good stuff. You never know what I'm gonna have next, and I would not want you guys to miss that. So go ahead and do all the above, and I'll gladly get to you guys soon. Alright, and that's all she wrote.